Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinalo ng Japan ang Guam 83-78. Top performer ng Japan si Yuday Nishida sa likod ng kanang 21 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 block. Nagtala naman ng 17 points, 4 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals at 1 block si Hirotaka Yoshi. Nag-ambag naman ng 13 points, 16 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals at 4 blocks si Joshua Hawkinson. Para naman sa natalong bansang Guam, Ernest Rose Jr. 30 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Jericho Cruz 13 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Australia ang South Korea 98-75. Top performer ng Australia si Chris Goulding sa likod ng kanang 31 points at 2 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong South Korea, Woo Suk Lee 17 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng China ang Mongolia 90-52. Top performer ng China si Jin Kyo-ho sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 5 rebounds at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Mongolia, Osherbat 16 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng Thailand ang Indonesia 112-71. Top performer ng Thailand si Frederick Johnslish sa likod ng kanang 31 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Indonesia, humakot ng 23 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal si Abraham Grahita. Brandon Jawato 16 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Habang si Anthony Ben 8 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Gilas Pilipinas ang Hong Kong China 93-54. Top performer ng Gilas Pilipinas si Carl Tamayo sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 6 rebounds at 1 assist. Heto naman ang box score ng starting unit ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra Hong Kong. Scotty Thompson 8 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Kai Soto 12 points, 15 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 blocks. John Mar Fajardo 14 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Calvin Oftana 1 assist. Justin Brownlee 13 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Heto naman ang box score ng second unit. Chris Newsome 9 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Seje Perez 8 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Mason Amos 3 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Japit Aguilar 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Kevin Kiambao 8 points, 5 rebounds at 4 assists. Carl Tamayo 18 points, 6 rebounds at 1 assist. Para naman sa natalong bansang Hong Kong China, Oliver Shaw 10 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang game recap result last November 22 at November 23, 2024. Tinambakan ng Qatar ang India 69-53. Top performer ng Qatar si Tyler James Lee Harris sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 12 rebounds at 1 assist. Nag-ambag din si Mike Lewis ng 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong India, Moenbek Hafez 17 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Panalo naman ang Iran by default kontra sa Kazakhstan 20-0. Tinambakan din ng Lebanon ang United Arab Emirates 99-77. Top performer ng Lebanon si Omari Spellman sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Wael Araki ng 16 points, 1 rebound, 7 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong United Arab Emirates, Qais Omar Al-Shabibi 19 points, 7 rebounds, 3 steals at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Jordan kontra sa Iraq 73-64. Top performer ng Jordan si Dar Tucker sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Iraq, Ihab Al-Zohairi 13 points, 11 rebounds at 2 blocks. Dinaig naman ng Bahrain ang Syria 76-71. Top performer ng Bahrain si Ahmed Haji sa likod ng kanyang 35 points, 1 rebound at 1 steal. Devon Dwayne Chesem 17 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Syria, Amori Jeremiah Hardy 21 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Panalo naman ng Saudi Arabia kontra sa Palestine 73-66. Top performer ng Saudi Arabia si Mohamed Al-Suwailim sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists at 6 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Palestine, Brian Haloms 21 points, 7 rebounds at 4 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Qualifiers Window 2 as of November 24, 2024. Sa Group A, Australia 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. South Korea 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Thailand 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Indonesia 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group B naman, Gilas Pilipinas 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. New Zealand 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Chinese Taipei 1 win 2 losses 4 points. Hong Kong 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group C, Japan 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. China 3 wins 1 loss 7 points. Guam 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Mongolia 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group D, Jordan 3 wins 0 loss 6 points. Saudi Arabia 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Iraq 1 win 2 losses 4 points. Palestine 0 win 3 losses 3 points. Sa Group E, Iran 3 wins 0 loss 6 points. Kazakhstan 2 wins 1 loss 4 points. Qatar 1 win 2 losses 4 points. India 0 win 3 losses 3 points. Sa Group F, Lebanon 3 wins 0 loss 6 points. Bahrain 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Syria 1 win 2 losses 4 points. United Arab Emirates 0 win 3 losses 3 points. Ang susunod na laban ng Gilas Pilipinas ay magaganap sa February 2025. Makakalaban ng Gilas Pilipinas ang Chinese Taipei February 20, 2025. Makakaharap naman muli ng Gilas Pilipinas ang New Zealand sa February 23, 2025. Heto naman ang game schedule ngayong November 25, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang New Zealand at Chinese Taipei alas 2 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Palestine at Jordan alas 7:45 ng gabi. Magtutos naman ang India at Kazakhstan alas 8:30 ng gabi. Maglalaban naman ang Lebanon at Syria alas 10 ng gabi. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong November 26, 2024 Philippine Time. Magtutos ang Saudi Arabia at Iraq alas 12:45 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban naman ang Qatar at Iran alauna ng madaling araw. Maghaharap naman ang United Arab Emirates at Bahrain alauna ng madaling araw. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.